What's up, my YouTube friends? Welcome to Reminder video for number 35, Questions from the Truck. And you guys know how this show works, in case you don't know. In case you don't know how this show works is you ask your model railroad, transit, woodworking related questions in the comments below this Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. Usually by Friday, I'd like to get them all in, and I work on my video Friday and usually have it done Friday and uploaded for Sunday morning. And Sunday morning, I get answers to your questions from Questions from the Truck. As always, I thank you for your questions. I thank you for helping out with answering the questions. Be well. Be blessed. Have a great week. And I hope you had a good weekend. And your week is blessed. See you Sunday or somewhere. Hey, there's a train after this, as always. Enjoy the train. See ya. A lot of empties. I don't like empties. I don't know what they need that for. That's it. It's QFtT. How many UPS trailers was that, Grayson? See you guys.